Here are the 7 key components and best practices of the A3 problem-solving method. Include number 1, define the problem. Clearly articulate the problem statement, including its impact on the organization, customers, or stakeholders. Number 2, gather data. Collect relevant data and facts to understand the current situation and identify the root causes of the problem. Number 3, analyze the problem. Use tools like the 5 whys, cause and effect diagrams, or Pareto charts to identify underlying causes and prioritize them. Number 4, develop countermeasures. Brainstorm potential solutions and select the most appropriate countermeasure to address the root causes. Number 5, create an action plan. Outline the steps required to implement the chosen